The entire figure is made out of this square of side 18. So we write 18 here by 18 here. Alright, so there's a triangle in here, DGH. Okay, now notice that the square, this has to be 90 degrees. So when we calculate the height of this triangle, okay, alright, it must be perpendicular to the base that you see here. So the base is actually the side of the square, which is 18 also. Okay, the height, okay, is also 18 because DEF is straight line. Alright, okay, so based on this information and as well as the height perpendicular, so we can take this height of the triangle, okay, to be the side of this square, which is 18 also. Okay, we ought to find the difference in the area between the two shaded parts. So let's label down this part as A, okay, maybe this part as B. So there's an overlap region here. Okay, this triangle, okay, we may not need to find the area of this triangle. Okay, so we can just simply find the area of the triangle DGH first. Okay, so area of triangle DGH. Okay, now we consider the regions first. Alright, so this consists of regions A and C. Alright, now if we have the area of the square, okay, we will have B and C. Okay, we have B and C. So the area of the square EFGH will give us B and C. Now since we are only required to find the difference in the area between the shaded parts, our answer should have only A and B. So it has nothing to do with this C. Okay, so we'll just take the difference from here, because either this triangle, okay, we subtract this square, okay, we will leave behind just A minus B, or we can take the area of the square to subtract the area of the triangle. We will also be left with B minus A. So it's just the differences between the two shaded parts. Okay, so we notice that from the formula, okay, for the triangle, half times base times height. So for the triangle will be half times base 18 times height 18. Okay, this gives us 162 centimeters square. Okay, and the area of the square in this square will be 18 times 18, length times breadth, 324. Okay, notice that 324 is greater than 162. Alright, so the required difference we are to find is this area subtracted this area. Okay, so that we can get this regions here to subtract these regions. Alright, so B plus C, okay, to show minus the area of triangle. Okay, the area of square is B plus C minus the area of triangle minus region A and minus the triangle, the other part of the triangle, which is area C. Okay, and therefore we will be left with the difference. Okay, and the difference is therefore 324 minus 162. Okay, so the difference in area between the two shaded parts is 162 cm square.